and welcome to my first video on the Cooking Club 987. Today I will be making flapjacks. There will be around 7 to 8 thin flapjack bites.
You will need 100 grams of jumbled rolled oats, 50 grams of honey, 50 grams of sugar, 50 grams of butter, and 10 grams of a variety of nuts. I chose Brazil nuts and cashews. Butter, sugar, and honey. I'm going to skip to when the honey comes out. Honey, stirring frequently. You should know it's done and ready to add the nuts when the sugar has dissolved and the butter has melted. As you can see, now that the butter, the sugar, and the honey has dissolved and melted, now you can add your nuts that you would like to put in. And oats. Now you need to add the oats and nuts and mix well. Oats and nuts. By the way, thank you to the BBC, I'm not sure if it was BBC or BBC Good Food, for providing me with this recipe. I have adapted the ingredient amounts for it to be a bit healthier for people who are on a diet, and also to make less flapjacks to do with the amount of food inside the house. Now that we have mixed well, we're going to add this to a cake tin I will be using. It's a Pyrex cake tin. I will put in the comments how big this is after I've uploaded the videos and pin it. Now that we have put the flapjack mixture into the Pyrex tin, we're going to put it into the oven. Okay, at 17 minutes and at 180 Celsius. I'm going to put it in. See you soon.
With this recipe, you can multiply the amounts that you use. Unlike me, because I don't have this amount at the moment, but you can use an extra amount. So in the comments, I'll put like the normal amount that a person would use. So I'm approximating how much I will make. I think I will make around 4. So it will be more like a taster session of honey flapjacks. But I will, if you times it by, if you times the amount of the ingredients by more, you can get more flapjacks. So I will times it so you can make 12 flapjacks.
While you're waiting, you can clean your kitchen. The flapjacks have just finished. Let's take them out. That looks good. Sorry if you can't see, I'm in a way multitasking here. Here we have the flapjacks. They look good. They're bubbling still because they just got out of the oven. Let's hope they're good. I'm going to put them on a plate and then I will report to you guys. There you have it, guys, the finished product. We have made quite a lot of flapjacks here. It was in this Pyrex tin, so I'm not too sure how many were made. I can check. 1, 2, 3, 7 were made out of this. Not too thick. More flapjack bites. If you enjoyed the video, please hit subscribe and maybe hit the like button and give me some advice in the comments, because I am just starting on YouTube. Thank you guys, and I'll see you soon. Have a nice flapjack.